Maintaining a comfortable home environment is essential for health and comfort. The best dehumidifier helps reduce excess moisture, prevent mold, and protect your belongings. Discover top options that combine efficiency, quiet operation, and energy savings for any space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. hOmeLabs Dehumidifier. The hOmeLabs Dehumidifier is a powerful, Wi-Fi-enabled solution ideal for large spaces up to 7,000 square feet. It efficiently removes up to 50 pints of moisture daily at 80 degrees F and 60% RH, with a maximum capacity of 120 pints in extremely humid conditions. One of its standout features is the smart functionality. Users can control the device remotely via Wi-Fi, making it easy to manage indoor humidity even when away from home. The design is modern and practical, with smooth rolling wheels and built-in handles, making it highly portable for use throughout the house. The fan operates quietly, which is a significant benefit for those who prefer peaceful environments. Functionality is straightforward. Just set the desired humidity level, and the machine runs until the tank is full, then shuts off automatically. For continuous operation, there's an option to connect a hose, not included, which is especially helpful in damp areas like basements. The turbo mode is great for high moisture situations, increasing airflow for faster results. It's perfect for homes that experience seasonal humidity spikes or need constant dehumidification. Though the hose must be purchased separately, the included features still make this unit a worthwhile investment. Overall, this dehumidifier offers a well-rounded mix of efficiency, smart control, and convenience for large space moisture management.
Number 2. Waykar Dehumidifier. The Waykar Dehumidifier is a highly efficient, Energy Star certified unit designed for spaces up to 5,000 square feet. It removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day under extreme conditions, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 90% RH, making it suitable for large areas such as basements, living rooms, and even crawl spaces. Its intelligent touch control panel provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to monitor humidity levels in real time and adjust settings with ease. A standout feature is its energy-efficient operation, which helps reduce electricity bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. The unit is also relatively quiet, thanks to its unique noise reduction design and oscillating fan that ensures effective air distribution without being disruptive. Weighing in as compact and lightweight, it's easy to move from room to room using the smooth rolling casters. In terms of drainage, the Waykar offers flexibility. Users can either empty the tank, 4.3 liters, manually, or use the included 3.3-foot hose for continuous drainage. The washable, detachable filter adds a layer of convenience and promotes healthy air circulation. An added caution note about tightening the drain switch helps prevent leakage, which shows attention to detail in its design.
Number 3. KNKA Dehumidifier. The KNKA Dehumidifier is a compact yet highly capable moisture removal device perfect for medium-sized spaces up to 2,500 square feet. With a capacity of 34 pints per day under extreme conditions, it effectively manages humidity in basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, and even RVs. One of its most impressive features is the inclusion of 3 smart modes: DE, Tri, and Cont. The DEU mode allows for customized humidity control ranging from 30% to 80%, while the dry mode is tailored for quickly drying clothes. The Cont mode ensures non-stop operation in highly humid environments, making it versatile for various needs. The KNKA also offers dual drainage options: manual via the 3-liter water tank with automatic shutoff and light indicator, or continuous drainage using the included 3.28 feet hose. Smart controls enhance user experience with features like auto humidity adjustment and fan speed settings, enabling a personalized climate in any room. The LED display even continues to show humidity levels when the unit is off, providing constant insight into air quality. Noise levels remain low, running at just 45 to 50 decibels, and sleep mode further reduces sound and light for night use. Overall, the KNKA is an excellent mid-range dehumidifier that balances performance, intelligence, and quiet operation.
Number 4. VEAGASO Dehumidifier. The VEAGASO Dehumidifier is a stylish and functional solution designed for large rooms and basements, combining performance with user-friendly features. It offers 3 intelligent dehumidification modes: DHU, Dry, and Cont, catering to a variety of needs. The DHU mode is great for maintaining a comfortable humidity level in living areas, while the Dry mode provides fast drying for clothes. The Cont mode is particularly helpful for spaces that suffer from persistent dampness. This versatility ensures the unit adapts to seasonal changes or room-specific moisture levels effectively. The device also supports 2 drainage options: a manual tank that shuts off automatically when full and alerts users with an indicator light, and an included hose for continuous drainage. This makes it ideal for users who prefer minimal maintenance. What truly sets the VEAGASO apart is its modern design and portability. Equipped with handles and wheels, it's easy to move the unit throughout the home, while its sleek appearance allows it to blend well with most interior decor. The intuitive touchscreen control system simplifies the setup process, letting users easily manage fan speed, humidity settings, timers, and more. It's a great choice for families or individuals who want a dehumidifier that performs quietly and efficiently while looking good in their living space. Overall, the VEAGASO strikes a nice balance between design, function, and convenience, making it suitable for modern households looking for reliable moisture control without a complicated interface. Number 5. Aiusevo Dehumidifier. The Aiusevo Dehumidifier is a compact, high-efficiency appliance tailored for smaller spaces up to 1,500 square feet, such as bathrooms, bedrooms, RVs, and laundry areas. Despite its compact size, it removes up to 21 pints of moisture per day under high humidity conditions, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 90% RH, maintaining an ideal indoor humidity range of 30 to 50%. It features 3 versatile operating modes: DEHU for customized humidity levels between 30 to 80%, Dry for efficient clothes drying, and CONT for continuous operation in damp environments. These modes make it adaptable for daily use across various room types and weather conditions. The Aiusevo offers 2 drainage methods: a 2-liter water tank with auto shutoff, an alert indicator when full, or continuous drainage using the included 3.28-foot hose. The smart control system is user-friendly and allows you to adjust humidity, fan speed, and timers, and even includes child lock for safety, great for homes with kids. Its real-time humidity monitoring, displayed through an LED panel, provides immediate feedback, ensuring optimal moisture control.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.